Have you ever bought something and later on you wonder why you bought such a thing? You begin asking yourself as if you just wasted your money. Has that ever happened to you? And if you're watching me right now and you own any kind of the business and this has ever happened to you, you are on the right channel. Let me take you through what we call emotional buying. And if you're a business owner and you have never applied this kind of tactic, it is going to be difficult for you to maximize sales. So emotional buying is one of the most important thing that every salesperson know. Every business knows what we call emotional buying, because most of us, we make most of our decisions basing on emotions. So people make products that are tailored to trigger our emotions. They will make the outlook so amazing so that you can get excited. Do you know why people put music on promotion? Yes, there is a promotion, and instead of people coming to just talk to you and tell you the offer, but they come with the music, playing the music and people dancing and entertainment. Through that, your more emotions are triggered, and you have already bought something. Reaching home, it's when you realize that really was there a need. People take need as a secondary reason for them to make their choices, for them to make buying decisions. Most of our buying decisions are just emotional. Because we have seen other people owning something, because a certain brand is trending, because a certain style is common these days, so everyone wants to buy such a thing. And that's not logical. It is emotional. So, in advertisement, you must make sure that you alter people's mind to create an emotion that supports their buying decision. And most businesses are doing that. So, if you are owning a business and on every advert that you make, you don't have an offer, then I don't know which kind of business that you are doing. Make sure you have an offer on every advertisement that you make. It's not hard to create an offer. There's what we call bundle pricing. Most people, when they see you, when you have combined things, or maybe things that are used together, or things that are related, they believe that you have reduced the price. But even when you have just added those prices and you start selling bundles, it will look so different to the mind of the buyer. Try to be creative in your businesses. I've not seen people give offers here. They keep on selling at constant prices. Yet an offer is a matter of rubbing the other price by putting you put a higher price and you cross it out and you put the normal price as the new price, and people will buy the things at an offer. So be smart in your business. I don't want you to just start selling things ordinarily like how other people are doing it. No, start being smart in your business, and also try triggering customers' emotions to make the buying decisions faster. Thank you so much for watching. We meet in the next episode.